Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Blender with Ollama local modules. As you can see, I downloaded this local model Qwen 2.57 billion. I use it using Ollama to create this sphere in Blender using MCP server. It works fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go to Google. Download the Go from here. Click download. Okay, choose if you have Mac or choose one of them. Okay, after downloading Go and installing, you can get like this the version of Go. Okay, as you can see, my Go version is 1.26.5. Okay, it's fine. After downloading and installing Go, go here to Ollama, download from this link, and install it. After that, you can get like this. After Ollama, download and install Blender from this. Okay, for me it's fine, it's installed. Okay, now let's go to this link and install UV. All link is on the description. Click here if you have Windows, if you have Mac, click here. Okay, let's install UV. Go here, command prompt, paste this link, PowerShell here, or go here to Windows PowerShell and paste right here. Okay, start downloading it. UV, sorry. Okay, everything you think is installed. Fine. Now the next thing I have to do is to go to this link, Blender MCP, and go here to this three button and click download. Download add-on.py. For me, I already downloaded. Okay, this is my add-on.py. Okay, let's move to the next step. Next step is to go here, Blender, open it, delete all of this. Go ahead to edit preferences, add-ons, go here, start from disk, download this, choose the add-on.py, and start from disk. Okay, as you can see, this is my Blender MCP. Okay, now go right here to this arrow. As you can see, this is my Blender MCP. It works fine. Check this one and connect to MCP server. Okay. As the MCP server is running to this port, now let's move to the next step. The next following this guide, we have installed UV, Golang, Go. Now let's install MCP Host. How to do that is to go to, okay, copy this one and go right here. Command prompt is this command and install. Okay, let's move to the next step. Is to go here to see drive, users. Okay, and in this folder we have to create a text file, rename it MCP. Click here. Okay. Now, what I want to do is to go here to this and copy it. Go here to MCP, paste it right here. Go in file, save as. Change this MCP here, save as type all files, and hit save. Okay, yes. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, the next step is to install Blender MCP. Pip install Blender MCP and go right here, open command prompt, paste this one, and this stuff installed. It's installed successfully. And now let's go here to Ollama. Ollama, we can choose the models. from here, for me choose the Qwen 2.5. Okay, choose one of them here and click Ollama run Qwen 2.5 simply. It's the same command like this, as you can see. Okay, how to install it? You have to go here, command prompt, paste it, and start installing. For me, I already installed it. I want to send anything for test. Okay, look on I assist you today. It works fine. Okay, I done this step. Now the final step is to go here before entering and navigate the folder where you are creating mcp.json. If you I created the mcp.json. Okay, now let's go ahead to my UF folder. This is my mcp.json file. Okay, now let's go ahead. I changed it to CMD. Okay, I wanna paste this MCP host Ollama Qwen 2.57 configuration. Okay, make sure the server is running here. Okay, and let's see. Click enter. Okay, it started loading our Ollama model. Okay, but there is an error. A warning, failed to load MCP server connection. How to fix this? Okay, to fix this problem, first let's close this and open our MCP.json file. Okay, I want to change this code by this code to fix this problem. Okay, and hit save. Now I changed it else here. Okay, now we wanna run this server by clicking right here in the terminal. Open. Command prompt. Paste it. I started loading our Ollama model. Okay, now it's fixed. It works. Model loaded Ollama Qwen. Model loaded successfully with GPU. We loaded 2020 tools. Okay, I wanna create this sphere. As you can see, this works fine. This is the MCP server. This works fine with Blender. This is how to connect Ollama with Blender using MCP server.